Meaning of incineration.
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 Incineration. Incineration is the process of burning waste materials to convert them into ash, gases, and heat. This is often done in specially designed facilities called incinerators. The purpose of incineration is to reduce the volume of waste and eliminate any harmful pathogens or toxins that may be present in the waste. The resulting ash can be disposed of in landfills, while the heat generated by the process can be used to generate electricity. However, incineration can also release pollutants into the environment, such as greenhouse gases and toxic chemicals that can have negative health effects on nearby communities.